So now I gotta open the doors back up, shut the heat off. There's gotta be a rainbow out here somewhere. Where's it at? There it is. Now it's hailing. Holy, look at this, it just flew in my window. And just like that, it's beautiful out again. No, 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 no. Perfect. Yeah. So now I'm back in the greenhouse after bagging corn. The weather's been really crazy, especially here in the greenhouse. It's so important because the sun will come out, you'll have to open up all the doors so it doesn't get to be like 120 degrees. Then it'll go in, and then you have to close everything up, and then it gets really dark and the wind starts to pick up, so then you gotta turn the heat on or it's like 40, 50 degrees. And so today is just one of those crazy days where you almost gotta be in here all day long. It was just raining, as you can see, everything's all wet, and now it's actually still raining, but there's blue skies out there, so it's just kind of crazy. And now it looks like the sun's coming out, so whatever it wants to do, that's fine. I'll just have to keep opening, closing the doors, whatever I have to do to keep it the right temperature in here. I'm still seeding. Right now I'm working on salvia, Mojave red, and Mojave red white bicolor. We also got a new one this year. This is the salvia ready formula mix. Not 100% sure. I think it's like the red, white, and like the purplish salvia all mixed together, which will be kind of cool. The mixtures usually go really well for us. It isn't going to be long. We're going to have to start getting all this stuff transplanted into either 4-packs or 6-packs or pots, whatever it is. These sunflowers are just about ready. Once you can pull that out and all the roots stay intact and the pulls out all the dirt at once, that means it's basically ready to go. So it's not going to hurt them to be in there another day or two, but after that we're going to soon want to get that transplanted into the 6.5 inch pots, along with stuff like our geraniums here, and I think Gaillardia, or no, this is Dahlia, and then Gaillardia is down here. You can see how big these are. And I think these got so big because we kept them in the seed room a little bit too long, and that was also my fault. I didn't really pay attention. The Vinca and the Gaillardia should not have been planted together. I was just trying to make use of the most space and get the whole flat used up, and so we had to leave this whole flat in there longer, that way these could germinate. Well, these were already an inch high. The sun is out full bright and it's pouring down rain. So now I gotta open the doors back up, shut the heat off. There's gotta be a rainbow out here somewhere. The sun is shining as bright could be, and it's raining. Where's it at? Where's it at? There it is. It's very, very light. I don't know if you can see it. Right behind the telephone pole, about halfway, or 3/4 of the way up, is where it's at. Beautiful. So now I'm moving on to chives. Now chives are a lot different in the sense of like how we plant flowers. So for chives, we actually get these packs. These are called 1201s. There's 12 different cells, but only obviously one instead of a 3-pack or a 4-pack or a 6-pack. So I'll take that, I'll drop it in my tray, and then I put my first one right in here. I'm gonna take and fill this up with my more coarse dirt, and then I'll take it down and I'll show you exactly how we do it compared to how we do the other stuff. Now, I need to settle this dirt down a little bit so that my seeds can lay down in there. That way when I cover it with the vermiculite, it's all pretty level. So I'll just kind of bounce it down a little bit. Now I'll take my chive seeds, and these are from 2020, as you can see we have written on there. And the germination rate is only 85%. So I'm gonna go a little heavy. We like to put around 50 to 100 seeds in each cell. And so I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna go a little bit heavy just because if they don't germinate as well, I wanna make sure we still have a good stand. Now it's hailing. I had to get out of the greenhouse. It was lightning too much. Crazy. 1 minute it's sunny, next minute it's hailing. Holy, look at this, it just flew in my window. That's like dime-sized hail. You open up the window for 1 minute, or actually like 10 seconds. Here come the blue skies now. Little coating of hail. And just like that, it's beautiful out again. So now I'm on to onions. These, I want to put like 30 to 40 in a flat instead of like 50 to 100. Whoops. Onions like to be covered deep, so I'm going to put a thin layer of the potting soil over top. Not the potting soil, the seeding soil. Now I'm on to yellow onions. These are nice because these ones are pelleted, so I can really see, whoa, exactly what's going on. So I'm gonna move these into here. It ain't much, but it's honest work.